Welcome to our exploration of modern home design, where we delve into the captivating interplay between natural beauty and contemporary architecture. Today, we're focusing on the striking use of black natural stone in homes that draw inspiration from nature itself. Black stone stands as a symbol of elegance and strength, and when paired with the organic elements of the environment, it creates a stunning visual contrast that elevates any design. As we journey through this video, we'll showcase breathtaking exterior designs, captivating interior spaces, and serene courtyards that harmoniously blend black natural stone with lush greenery. Each scene will reveal how this bold material can enhance the aesthetic appeal of a home while remaining rooted in its natural surroundings. The exterior of a home sets the stage for its overall character, and black natural stone plays a crucial role in establishing a striking first impression. Imagine a modern home with sleek lines, where the facade is adorned with panels of polished black stone, reflecting the surrounding landscape. This bold choice creates a dramatic contrast against the natural hues of trees and grass, allowing the home to stand out without overpowering its environment. Furthermore, the use of large glass windows complements the stonework, blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. This design invites the natural light in while providing unobstructed views of the lush surroundings, creating a seamless transition between the home and nature. The interplay of materials here not only enhances the aesthetic but also emphasizes a lifestyle that values both modernity and the tranquility of the natural world. As we step toward the entrance, the door serves as a pivotal element in the design narrative. A grand entrance, framed by black natural stone, draws the eye and invites exploration. Imagine a heavy wooden door, perhaps with intricate carvings, set against a backdrop of smooth black stone. This fusion of materials not only highlights the strength of the stone but also introduces a warm, inviting element with the wood, creating a harmonious balance. The entrance is more than just a passage, it reflects the home's personality. The stone's cool surface contrasts beautifully with the warmth of the wooden door, symbolizing the meeting of strength and comfort. As we open the door and step inside, we transition from the striking exterior to the thoughtful interior, where the beauty of contrast continues to unfold. Upon entering the living room, the black natural stone reappears as a focal point, possibly in the form of a sleek fireplace or accent wall. This design choice draws the eye upward, creating a sense of height and drama in the space. The rich texture of the stone contrasts with soft, natural fabrics found in the furnishings, such as a plush sofa adorned with earth-toned cushions. This creates a cozy yet sophisticated atmosphere, inviting relaxation and conversation. Large windows frame the view of the outdoor landscape, allowing natural light to flood the space. The thoughtful placement of indoor plants adds a touch of life, bridging the gap between the interior and exterior. This living room exemplifies how black natural stone can elevate a space, serving both as a bold statement and a grounding element in the overall design. kitchen, black natural stone takes center stage again, perhaps as a countertop or backsplash. The sleek surface offers both beauty and functionality, making it an ideal choice for a modern cooking space. Imagine a kitchen that blends minimalist design with natural elements, where the black stone pairs beautifully with wooden cabinetry and stainless steel appliances, creating a striking contrast that is both practical and visually appealing. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area features a large wooden table that invites gatherings. Here, the black stone may reappear in the form of decorative accents or statement light fixtures, enhancing the overall aesthetic. The interplay of textures, from the smooth stone to the rustic wood, creates an inviting atmosphere that encourages connection and community, celebrating the joys of shared meals in a beautifully designed space. As we move to the bedroom, the serene ambience is enhanced by the strategic use of black natural stone. Imagine an accent wall behind the bed, featuring textured stone that adds depth and interest to the space. The dark tones create a cozy cocoon, perfect for unwinding at the end of the day. Soft linens and lighter hues provide a beautiful contrast, ensuring the room feels inviting and restful. Natural light filters through large windows, casting gentle shadows across the stone wall, further accentuating its texture. The room's decor is intentionally minimal, allowing the beauty of the black stone to shine through. With carefully placed greenery and organic elements, this bedroom encapsulates a peaceful retreat that harmonizes with nature, reinforcing the theme of balance throughout the home. Stepping outside, we find ourselves in a tranquil courtyard that embodies the essence of nature-inspired design. Here, black natural stone is used for pathways and seating areas, creating a cohesive flow with the surrounding landscape. Imagine a space surrounded by lush plants, where the dark stone provides a beautiful contrast to vibrant greens and colorful blooms, enhancing the overall aesthetic of the outdoor environment. This courtyard serves as an extension of the home, a place to unwind, entertain, or simply connect with nature. Water features, such as a small pond or fountain, can further enrich this space, reflecting the beauty of the black stone while adding a soothing element. In this harmonious outdoor retreat, the beauty of contrast becomes a living experience, showcasing how modern design can coexist with the tranquility of nature. As we conclude our journey through this stunning home, we've seen how the beauty of black natural stone can transform spaces, creating a perfect harmony with nature. From the bold exterior and inviting entrance to the carefully curated interiors and serene courtyards, each element plays a vital role in crafting a narrative that celebrates both modern architecture and the natural world. We hope this exploration inspires you to embrace the beauty of contrast in your own designs, reminding us that modern living can seamlessly integrate with nature. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and be sure to subscribe for more insights into innovative home design that harmonizes with the beauty of the environment. Until next time.